Hello everybody, it's Dr. Strombeck, and today I wanted to cover this question because I get sometimes people in that come in and they want corrective care, and they sometimes ask this question, does insurance cover this? And the answer to that should be very clear. You are in charge of your own health. Your insurance company is not in charge of your health. Your insurance company is there in emergency situations, okay? You get in a bad car accident, something major happens. Insurance company is there for that. That's what you want them for. They are there to pay any major medical bills under, something that would happen to you. As far as taking care of your health and making sure that you're healthy, they're not going to pay for that. Okay? If they did, then you could go down to Whole Foods down the street and you could actually spend extra money on organic stuff, and you could submit your receipt to the insurance company and they would reimburse you if they actually cared about your health. Remember, it's not an insurance company's job to care about your health. And what do I always preach about chiropractic care? It's about function and proper function. Proper function is going to dictate how healthy you are in your life or how healthy you are not. If your organs are not functioning properly, you're not going to be a very healthy person. If your organs are functioning properly and your cells are functioning properly, you're going to obtain a very high level of health, and you're not going to have to worry about going to all these doctor visits. You're not going to have to be concerned about being on prescription medications and things like that. Okay? So it is your responsibility to pay for your health, okay? Whether that's you want to join a gym, whether that's you want to go and spend extra money at a place like Whole Foods for that great food. Chiropractic care, making sure that your nervous system is functioning at a top level so that you can live a healthy life. So the answer to that is a resounding no. You do not want your insurance company in charge of your health, okay? However, insurance is there if you have a catastrophic event happen in your life. So remember, you do not want your insurance company in charge of your health, because they're only going to pay for it when you're in a crisis situation. You don't want to have to start thinking about your health when you're in a crisis situation, because that is the worst time in place to try to make decisions about your health, is when you're in a crisis situation. So the idea is, let's never get to that crisis situation. Let's take care of that spine and the nervous system so that all your organs are functioning properly and they never get to a disease state. Okay? Let's go to the gym. Let's exercise. Let's eat the proper foods. Spend that extra money on the proper foods. Remember this, and I'll close with this. Good health never costs you. It pays you dividends in return. Okay? So maybe another way to say that is, even though you might come in, and all my patients come in and they pay cash for their treatment in my office or their care in my office to make sure that nervous system is functioning properly, it actually pays them huge dividends in return. Because what do I see every day? I see people get healthy. I see organs that are failing start to get better. I see people on medications, sometimes reduce the medications, sometimes in cases get off medications that the doctor said they're going to be on for the rest of their life. So good health always pays you in return. So it never costs you. Yes, it might cost you out of pocket right then, but you never want to look at that as, you know what, I'm not going to do that because I have to pay out of pocket. It's as crazy as saying, I don't want to go to the gym and exercise because it's going to cost me money, okay? Yes, remember, you've got to start to take care of your health. You've got to take responsibility for your health. Don't allow it to go to some insurance company and people dictating your care, because then you're in a bad situation, okay? I hope you guys got something out of this. And remember, as always, if you found this valuable but you do nothing with it, it will never serve you. If you do something with this information, it will serve you, and it'll serve you for years and years and years to come. All right? Today is my dad's 87th birthday, and praise the Lord, he is still wonderfully healthy. He walks 3 to 5 miles every day. He eats proper food. He exercises. And more importantly, he gets adjusted 1 to 2 times every week for the last 19 and a half years. I love you, Dad. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.